Greetings, Lux lovers. Welcome back. Here we believe in intentional luxury and we're not afraid to invest in pieces that will work for us. So if that resonates with you, then please consider subscribing and stay a while. Well, I know I'm a little bit late to the game on this one, but there was a really fun trend on social media maybe a month or two ago where people were using AI to create toy figurines of themselves, and this got me thinking, what would my Beauty Luxe Lover starter pack look like? So today I'm going to share a 5-item curation of quiet luxury items that I consider make up my signature look. And these are things that I simply cannot live without. Like if you saw someone walking down the street without looking at their face, you'd be like, oh wow, that is so Beauty Luxe Lover. And don't get me wrong, my starter pack isn't cheap. It's just simply the bare essentials that really capture my essence. And along the way, I'll also share some affordable options in the video in case you'd like to get these looks for less. So grab that fancy Hermes mug of tea and let's begin. So one of the first items that I think makes up my signature look is my chunky diamond rings. And so here is my current wedding set. This looks really great on the screen right now, but I just am not a dainty diamond person. The more the merrier in my opinion. And so I just love gaudy diamonds. The more diamonds, the better. I have a whole video about my wedding band evolution. I'll link that above and below. But this is almost 9 carats of total natural diamonds and platinum. And honestly, most of the time I leave the house just with my anniversary band. And I'm already thinking forward to what my 15-year anniversary edition might look like. And it actually might be an additional wedding band to stack. And with that in mind, today I'm going to share an item from a new to me brand, and that brand is Lanewoods. They were kind enough to reach out and tell me more about their brand. They specialize in lab-grown moissanite and recycled metals. I have to say, some of their pieces are stunningly beautiful at super affordable prices. They seem to really specialize in bridal looks, especially oval set diamond rings with thin bands. So I definitely recommend giving them a look. But I will share what I chose today. And I chose, ooh, yes, this is exactly what I had in mind. Let me take it out. Oh, and that is like sparkling, like good gracious. Okay. Whoa. I am smiles all around, as you can see. So I chose the Radiant Cut Moissanite Full Eternity Band. I specifically got it in a size 4, again, because my fingers are super small. But look at that sparkle, and I'm not even in the outside with the natural sunlight. This is exactly the type of look that really speaks to my heart. So let's take a look. Again, you can see that beautiful gallery. This is in the sterling silver. It has these beautiful radiant cut lab created moissanite. I'm like on a moissanite kick so far, but let me show you the vision of how I envision using it. Here is my current set together, and I'll put this new band on. Oh, it fits really well, but yeah, as you can see, it has that thick, chunky band look. And I just love an eternity band. Some people really don't like how it protrudes, but I don't mind it. So here is what it looks like with those radiant cut moissanites. Here's my current band with the round cut diamonds. And then here's what it would look like stacked with these radiant cut. So obviously we're putting diamonds against lab moissanite, but I think that this is a great type of company where you can try before you buy and really just live with some choices before you take the plunge if you want to go for real natural diamonds. I feel like a double band like this is such a baller look. And then if I put on my wedding ring on top of that, like could you imagine seeing me out and about like this? That's crazy. But I think adding another band is in my future, and I just really like experimenting now with whether it's going to be radiant cut, emerald cut. I'm really liking oval cut now, and so I think this looks great. I'll have a link below to the eternity band that I chose, and also you can use my code for 15% off. So that is so pretty. Look at that.